the ultimate leather care solution. Protect and restore your leather goods with our handcrafted leather balm. This formula is made with the finest ingredients to nourish, protect, and waterproof your leather. Our leather balm pours smoothly and hardens to a perfect consistency. Easily treats and restores leather. Protects leather from water. Leaves leather looking and feeling its best. Order your handmade leather balm today and give your leather the care it deserves. Pamper your leather goods with the finest natural care with our Beeswax Leather Conditioner Balm. This luxurious blend of beeswax, sandalwood, myrrh, and honey nourishes and protects your leather, leaving it supple, conditioned, and it has a light cologne scent. Why choose our Beeswax Leather Conditioner Balm? Our leather conditioner balm is made with natural ingredients, including beeswax, almond oil, olive oil and castor oil. This means that it is safe for your skin and your leather goods. Our leather conditioner balm penetrates deep into the leather to restore its natural moisture and protect it from the elements. This makes it ideal for use on car seats, boots, furniture, and other leather goods. Our leather conditioner balm leaves a soft, supple finish that will make your leather look and feel like new. Scented with sandalwood, myrrh, and honey, our leather conditioner balm has a light, pleasant scent of sandalwood, myrrh, and honey. How to use our Beeswax Leather Conditioner Balm? Apply a small amount of balm to a clean, dry cloth. Rub the balm into the leather in a circular motion. Buff the leather to a shine. Our Beeswax Leather Conditioner Balm is the perfect solution for restoring and protecting car leather, conditioning and protecting boots and shoes, restoring and protecting leather furniture, repairing minor scratches and scuffs on leather. Order your Beeswax Leather Conditioner Balm today and give your leather goods the care they deserve.